legal. Consequences will follow if someone breaks the rules. The government creates criminal law to protect society and maintain public order. Without criminal law, people would be free to harm others without legal consequences, and society will become uncovered. Therefore, criminal law plays a vital role in maintaining justice and social order. The purpose of criminal law. Now let's list the purpose of criminal law. Three are several important purposes. First, criminal law protects social from harmful behavior. For example, laws against theft, violence, fraud, and corruption protect people from becoming victims. Second, criminal law maintains public order. A peaceful society can only exist when people obey the law. Three, criminal law prevents crime. People usually think twice before committing a crime because they know they will be punished. This is called the deterrent effect. Finally, criminal law provides justice. We strip desert frozen bill offenders must take responsibility for three actions. The principles of legality. One of the most important principles in criminal law is called the principles of legality. These principles state that no one can the rules against the law as already decided there has to be criminal. In Latin, this principle is known as unum crimen, nulla bona sine legem. These principles protect everyone is right. Limit is the government clause. Study punish people for action that were never brought before. The world be unfair. 3. 4. Criminal law regulates clear legal rules before punishment can be imposed. Element of crime. In criminal law, some crimes simple but punished because people think they are quality. The court must prove several elements. The first element is an involved act. This means the person action should the law. The second element is criminal responsibility. The offender must be mentally capable of understanding the consequences of the action. The three use technology, waste, and responsibly. Criminal responsibility. Now let's talk about criminal responsibility. Not everyone who commits unlawful acts can automatically be punished. The law considers the offender understanding the nature of three actions. For example, if some suffer from severe mental disorder and constantly right from work, the court may determine that the person is not criminal responsibility. Again, can also influence criminal responsibility. Children are generally treated differently from others because the law considers three limits: understanding and maturity. Reason the eliminate criminal behavior. Three are situation where some community asks the operator to be criminal, but the law does to punish them. These are called legal defenses. One example is life defense. If someone attack you and you ask reasonably for to protect yourself, your action may be legally justified. Another example is acting under lawful authority or necessity. These actions are carefully accepted with the truth before making a decision. Criminal punishment. Know what ever after some is found cruelty. The court may impose different types of punishment. For example, important imprisonment, fines, probation, community service, additional penalty, depending on the seriousness of the crime. The purpose of punishment is not only to punish offenders but also to rehabilitate them and protect citizens. A fair punishment should balance justice, deterrence, and rehabilitation. Example of criminal law in daily life. Many people believe criminal law only applies to serious crimes. Actually, it also applies to many everyday situations. For example, stealing another person's mobile phone, drink under the influence of alcohol, selling illegal drugs, committing online fraud, hacking some social media account, identity theft, cyberbullying. All of these actions may result in criminal prosecution. This shows that criminal law is connected to our daily life. The difference between criminal law and civil law. Thank you for your attention. Have a wonderful day. Stay healthy, keep learning, and always obey the law. See you in my next presentation. Goodbye and thank you.